Hi, this is Apton's Enterprise. How may I help you?
Our company wants a dollar management system without employees. Can you help us?
That's no problem. We have the best software design in the world.
How long does it take for you to do the project?
It should take about 3 months.
I'm counting on it.
Okay, will do. Bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, our employee just called and they request data management for their employees. So what I was thinking, we should do a waterfall model since it's more efficient, and let's go through the first step, analyze. How long do you think it will take for you to do analyze?
So it's a system for the employees, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I think 2 weeks you do it. 2 weeks, yeah.
2 weeks?
I think it's too long.
Too long?
Too long.
I think we should do it 1 week.
1 week, yeah.
Yeah, 1 week.
A little bit time though.
For design, William?
6 weeks.
6 weeks? Alright. For implementation, Neil and Daniel, how long do you think it will take for you?
Around 3 weeks.
3 weeks?
Yeah, I think it should be 4 weeks.
4 weeks?
Yeah.
Alright, good. For maintenance, guys, how long do you think it will take?
2 or 3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks?
Yeah,
3
2 or
weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, that should be the end of the meeting.
So, okay.
Alright guys, the customer has requested more stuff in the design phase. Since we can't change anything in our current design, we need to just add more. We can't go back again, since we have to go step by step. So William, how long do you think it will take for you to finish design?
8 weeks.
8 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good. So we don't need any extension for the implementation. So we have a restart.
Yeah. Alright. Alright guys, the customer has asked me, he wants more additional stuff.
Again?
Yeah. Since we are in the implementation phase, and since we can't go back, how long can you add anything to design?
Yeah, a little bit.
Little bit?
Yeah.
How long, Daniel and Neil, how long do you think it will take for you to finish this?
Around 4 weeks.
4 more weeks?
Yeah, around 4
more
weeks.
weeks.
That's the only thing we can do.
That's the max.
Okay, then get to work. Alright guys, the customer has requested some additional stuff in design. Since we're in the maintenance phase, can we, Neil, can we make a little bit changes here?
No, that's not enough.
Wow, really? So we can't change anything from here?
Yeah, because we already did
Everything's done.
Everything's already done.
Yeah.
Anything we can do is just
Maintenance.
Update.
So,
maybe mix.
So, what do you think, how about if we do it again? How long would that take?
that will take like more than
3 more months.
3 more
6
months?
Yeah,
But the customer wanted it really, like, in 12 weeks.
I don't know. I can't do it.
because like well we already based on the requirements and then now she wants to change it, right?
Yeah.
And then we have to do everything all over again. And then so we can't do it.
So this is a disadvantage of a waterfall model.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, man.
Yeah.
Fuck this. You're the new boss. I quit.
What are we gonna do? It's only 2 months left. Are we gonna finish this project?
We can't even finish.
There's only 3 of us. We'll have to finish.
Holy shit!
This?
What's the hell?
Rapid application development from Epson 2026. Yay. Oh, another methodology?
Oh, rapid application development. So we can get a lot of prototype. So what do you guys think?
Yeah, we can design a prototype at first.
Yes. So we need an initial prototype in the beginning.
Then
Yeah.
what should we do then?
So we designed this and we got implement and we got a new prototype that's completed and completed. And also we will go to see the customers and get them feedback through the interview and the meetings. So after we get that, we change it and maintain and enhance the prototype.
So that means we can change the prototype anytime.
Yeah.
And then we don't need to
Too many people.
for like to.
It sounds easy.
So we don't need to waste our time on the design. So we design it and give and implement it. We use it at the same time. So we save a lot of time.
Then we don't even need our boss then.
Yeah, we don't need
yeah.
it. We don't need it.
Yeah, this is useless, boss.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
useless.
Such a useless car.
Yeah, that's stupid. It's ugly.
Yeah.
Hey guys, where's my project?
There you go.
Thank you. How much?
$100.
Okay. Thanks. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye.
Hey guys, where's my project?
Your project?
Yes.
What is your project?
Employee system?
Can we pretend that airplanes
You have lots of projects.
Yeah.
No, we don't.
Here,
The email from the customer asked him that it will take 14 weeks, not 12 weeks, and he said it's unacceptable. So what I was thinking, since we are midway in design view, since we can't change anything, I'm gonna ask William's opinion. How long do you think it will take for you to finish design?
I think minimum 4 weeks.
4 weeks?
Yeah.
Well, we can't change anything else.
Because for implementation, I need at least 3 to 4 weeks.
So does this mean we drop the subject? The project?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
What are you talking about? Stop.
Project was done by Apple, Daniel, Neil, William. Special guest Jerry Quinn.